He sees the fireworks. Point them that way, point them that way.
Look, Bruiser. Look, Bruiser. Look.
Oh, no shit. I like that one. I caught that one. Oh, boy, they fucking broke his neck. Ooh, fucking backyard fireworks and shit. We can't afford to go nowhere, so we're sponging off the neighbors.
Well, that's why they're doing them, so everybody can see them. There's another guy doing them over there too. This guy was doing a couple before.
Yeah, motherfucker. Scared now, huh? You were barking all that shit inside. Look at him. You barking every time you heard it. It was like, oh fucking, thinking like he fucking, you know? You got him with a light. You're gonna get right in your ass.
Ooh, I just saw a big bug fly by, landed on the inside of your car.
Yeah, look at him. I got you now, motherfucker.
There it goes.
There you go.
Okay, Bruiser, I'll put you down.
No, don't put him down. I want to see his face. I don't care. I want to see his face because he talks all that shit when he was in the house. You know?
Because we can't see because the tree's in the way.
Yeah, I got the light right under this and shit. He's fucking spooked. See, get them fucking fireworks away from me.
No, he's remembering also what you did with the camera.
What's he remembering?
What you did the other day, all in his face. Oh, Wally.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, look over there. You don't want to look over there.
I hope the neighbors didn't call the cops on this guy. Come on, with all the rain that came down yesterday, should be all right.
This guy got some shit going on right here.
Both sides. And over there. Well, cops went backwards, were they?
Get the fucking camera away from me.
It's right here.
Déjame gorda. Nice!
Oh, you missed the jumping.
Oh my god. That was nice. I caught it going up. This guy's good.
Anybody over here?
No over here. Dominic, I want to get Bruiser. Bruiser, he's gonna throw another one. It's gonna pop. This kid is fucking me up. No, what are you gonna give the Chihuahua for? That motherfucker. Who's gonna do jump now? Can you jump?
Okay, Bruiser. Not the ones by that Walmart selling.
Fuck New York. We got Palm Coast fireworks. Fuck New York. You fucking New York. If I want to drive, I go right outside. Maybe a little one, tiny ones. like he's gonna pop. Gonna fucking crack his neck. The fucking mosquito will fucking me up.
Why you think I got long pants on?
Yes, yes.
Videotaping Bruizer jumping.
I missed him though. He jumping. He was like, ooh. That's it. You don't even stop. Fucking my ass. Fucking beat. Fucking mosquito. Alright, that's it. Fuck you.